Well, it's such a pleasure to be here at EROC this year. I'm very happy to be the global ambassador for EROC. We have had some fantastic sessions today, and we will be ending the day with a dissection, a live dissection in one of the lecture halls. I will be doing a dissection of the anterior and posterior ethmoids as well as the sphenoids, and I'm looking forward to a fantastic session. We had a wonderful debate this morning, and overall it's been a very informative and educational day, I think, for everyone.
We are so happy that our colleagues from this region are attending our board examination, but we also would like to inform you that together with the European Confederation, as a part of it, as the EBRL, we set up a very nice education tool also for your use that you can use online. It's a progress test, it's a support for the education, residency training, giving personal feedback to all residents that take it every year to have a look to their progress every year.
The big progress, especially in the field of rhinology. You know that newer treatment modalities, which include immunotherapy, which has been game changer for people with loss of smell, for people with chronic sinusitis, which is such a common problem, including sinonasal allergies. And all those is included in the comprehensive program in EROC. So we have the best speakers, the experts from regional as well as from international faculties.